So today I'm going to show like how to switch visual using button in Power BI. So let's move to Power BI. So I have already loaded that order sheet by using that get data and Excel workbook. So now I'll show how to switch button, switch visual in Power BI. For that we need to take first button. For that, go to insert, click on button and then click on blank. Yeah. So I needed two button, so I have added that two button. Then I need to show add that visual. So for that visual, I am using cluster column chart for showing category by cells. For that in x-axis, you need to select category, and for y-axis, you need to select cells. I'm using another visual that is pie chart, donut chart, and in this I'll show reason by category. So in reason, you need to select reason, and in value, you need to select category. So basically, like I want to do, if I click on one button, that sales by category and sales category by reasons visual I can see, and and when I click on second button, I can see subcategories thing. So for that, I need to add another visual that is for subcategory. Same thing, I need to select pie chart. In this, I'll add reason and value subcategory. And for cluster, for this cluster column chart in x-axis, I need to add subcategory, and in y-axis, sales. So it's showing the like sales by subcategory, and in this it's showing reason by subcategory. Now in button we'll add text. For that, just select button, and in style you need to enable text option and just write category. Just increase the text. Same with the second button, enable the text and sub subcategory. Now for that category, if I want to see that category by reason and sales by category, for that, just first go on view, select selection tab and bookmark. So in selection, you can see the all the visual that are available. So for a category, first disable the subcategory visual, that is sales. Yeah, sales by subcategory and subcategory by reason. And then in this button, you need to add action. So just click on category button Now enable action. In action, you need to give type as bookmark. Okay, now before that, you need to select bookmark and add this visual, the bookmark. Like just add and name is at category. After that, go to button and do that action thing. Like enable the action, select type as bookmark, and in bookmark category, bookmark you need to select category. Same with that subcategory. So for that subcategory, you need to enable subcategory and disable the category, like category by reason and sales by reason, and then bookmark that page and rename as subcategory. Now select that button. In that format button, you need to enable action. In action, type selected bookmark, and in bookmark, you need to select subcategory. Yeah. Now for selecting now for activating that link, you need to press Control and then click. Yeah. So in this way, you can select